Hey followers, we've got the brand new Sony A7r4. We're just going to unbox it, and as you can see here, the seal isn't broken, it's brand new. Let's remove that seal and let's have a look what's inside. So yeah, come closer, you can have a look as we open this. And there we go, we start off with a few booklets, instructions, and all those informations that you need. And then on this side, what have we got here? And we've got a USB cable, whatever that thing is. And then front part, let's go inside, have a look. We get the A7r4 band strap. So inside this little one, we've got the battery charger. And comes with all power cables wherever you are in the world. Then in here, wrapped in nice protective, we pull out and we have a Sony A7r4. Unlike all the other ones, this one is 64 megapixels. And yeah, we're going to do some testing on this. It feels good to hold. So in a couple of weeks, we'll do some tests and we'll show you how we go. Thanks for watching.